Let's look into this beautiful Kanjivaram. This is a Kanjivaram Korvai border with kalamkari, pen kalamkari, and Maggam work, highlight embroidery, both hand and machine. The body's designs are all completely highlighted with machine embroidery. The border, we have done a beautiful Maggam work. As we cook saris, sometimes saris become a bit more complicated looking. For this was one beautiful sari which we loved. We wanted to do some more embellishments, so we got this done like this. This is a pen kalamkari sari with Maggam work and highlight. The entire border part has been done with hand embroidery and handwork. The body part is machine highlighting embroidery done all throughout. This is priced at 38,000, and we are giving a beautiful Maggam work blouse as well, which is a beautiful like attachment with this, completely hand done, and the entire sari and the blouse opens up to be so classy. We'll open up the sari first, understand the beauty of the sari, and then go in for the blouse. It's a kind of grey, a base grey, elephant grey, and a pallu is chili red. That's the pallu work. Just show the pallu alone. It's got, see, as we cook, the zari colors might turn a bit dark and light. That's totally depend on how the sari is going to react. But this embroidery part has made it so gorgeous. A wedding collection to make it so grand. Here and there patches of color changes are very much welcome in Kanjivaram kalamkari on the zari borders. Well, go to the border part. It looks so amazing and classy. And the scluffing is the finishing. You want to attach tassels to it, it's completely up to you. This is the pallu. Pallu is scluffing finish border, and the entire sari opens up to be so classy. This is the sari. Here and there, those darkening of zari also adds to the beauty. Dark is always beautiful, black is always beautiful. The zari is highlight over here, the body work. See, look at the body work. Entirely, there has been machine embroidery done thoroughly. Do you see them all? It's not just left like that. It's just completely done pen kalamkari, and on which embroidery has happened. Here, beautiful highlights of the work on the body of the peacock has also happened. Entire sari has been highlighted very beautifully, just not the kalamkari, along with embroidery. That's the upper border. Everywhere hand Maggam work has happened, and that's the entire sari. Wow. That looks so wow. On top 2.5 meters, bottom complete work. If you wear it, I'll also post a picture by doll wearing it, you'll understand. This is the blouse that has come along, we have done for you. Let's open up the sari and the blouse together. That's completely done all throughout for the sleeves as well as the back. It's come out. That's the back and front along with the sleeves work done through. And that's such an interesting work all over the blouse, completely blouse work done. And that's the sari is priced at 38,000. And on look and by feel of it, it's an authentic Kanjivaram with pen kalamkari and hand embroidery and machine embroidery done. This is the look of the entire sari. Yes, the darkening of zaris here and there adds beauty to kalamkaris always, because while cooking we don't know how the zari would react. So that's not a fault. The beauty is always seen through the work and the finish of the sari. This is the sari in total. Here and there the black marks on the zari also adds to the embellishment of this beautiful sari. Amazingly color combined, and the blouse work is going to make this a very successful, very interesting collection in your wardrobe. You're not going to miss it at any cost. Just grab the beauty. Here and there beautiful works all over the pallu. Though the color variation is due to cooking of the zaris, the beauty is even more highlighted with those color variations as well. So that is the beautiful Kanjivaram with the Korvai border, hand embroidered, Maggam work done, scluffing beautifully finished, heavy work done on the blouse, entire sari highlighted with machine embroidery. This masterpiece collection is just 38,000. You are going to love her the way she is, and the way you're going to look wearing her is going to be something very surprising, and definitely a head turner collection from Vastram. Happy shopping, and this is 38,000.